Good evening, all.
Good evening, ma'am.
In previous class, we discussed linear equations, linear polynomials, and quadratic polynomials. How many zeros of linear polynomials?
One.
At most one zero.
Ma'am.
Linear polynomial, at most 1 0. Quadratic polynomial,
2 0.
it may have nil zeros, 1 0, at
Or
most
two.
2 0.
At most zeros.
Okay. Today we will discuss cubic polynomial. What is cubic polynomial?
Ma'am, this has the highest degree of 3.
What is cubic polynomial?
Ma'am, the polynomial which has the highest degree of 3.
Yes.
Degree 3.
The polynomial has degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. Okay. What is the general form of cubic polynomial?
Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d.
Ax cube
Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d.
Plus cx plus d.
plus d. Cubic polynomial may have 1 0, may have 2 zeros, at most 3 zeros. At most 3 zeros. Example? Say one example for cubic polynomial.
Ma'am,
5x, 4x
x cube, 4x cube plus
Cube.
2x square plus 7x.
X cube is the one of the cubic polynomial. Okay. Here we have to try to draw the graph. First, P of x equal to. Here P of x equal to x cube. Here we have to draw the graph. So we want some points. First point, if x equal to 0, what is the value?
Zero cube. 2 0.
Place of substitute 0. 0 cube, which is equal to 0. So point is 0, 0.
0, comma 0.
Okay, good. If x equal to
0,
1,
comma
1,
1, ma'am.
1,
1, ma'am. 1.
comma 1. Okay. Next, if x equal to 2, what is the value?
8. 8, ma'am.
8, 8.
2 cube.
8 ma'am.
1,
2 comma 8.
2 comma 8. Good. If x equal to
3
minus,
means 3.
minus 1.
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
good. Minus 1 comma 1. Minus 1 comma minus 1. If x
Minus
equal
1.
to minus 2, what is the value?
Minus 8.
Minus 8.
Minus 8.
Minus 8. Point is
Minus
minus
8.
comma minus 8.
Minus 8.
Plot the graph. Draw x-axis and y-axis. See graph paper. What is first point? First point.
1 ma'am.
0, comma 0.
X is 1,
0,
y
comma
x is 1.
First point. 0 comma 0. First point is 0 comma 0. Second
0
point,
comma 0.
Second,
X axis 1, Y axis 1, ma'am.
1 comma 1. Next point,
Second, 2, 8.
2, 8. 2, 8.
2 comma 8. On x-axis 2, y-axis 8. Here there is no 8. So take somewhere here. This is the 8. So here point is 2 comma 8. Okay. Next point.
2, 8.
Next point.
Next.
Minus 1
Minus
comma.
1 comma
Minus 1.
On x-axis minus 1, y-axis minus 1. This point is minus 1 comma minus 1. Next point. Minus 2 comma.
minus
Next,
2,
minus 2, -8, ma'am.
Suppose this is minus 7. This point is minus 8. Minus 2 comma 8. This point is minus 2 comma 8. Join these points. Don't use scale. This graph represents the equation P of x equal to what? P of x equal to function x cube. How many zeros?
1 0, ma'am.
0, ma'am.
How many zeros?
1 0.
Just the
1
1.
0.
single point. Okay, 8 0.
Point. 1, 1.
So 1 0. 8 0. Here 0 is the zero of the polynomial. Understood?
Yes,
This is
sir.
an example for 1 0 of cubic polynomial. Understood? Any doubt, ask me. Any doubt, ask me. Next, cubic polynomial has 2 zeros. Next example. Cubic polynomial has 2 zeros. P of x equal to x cube minus x square. Take some values for x. If x equal to 0, what is the value?
0.
0.
0 cube minus 0 square. It is 0. So point is 0 comma 0. If x equal to 1,
0, ma'am.
P of 1
0, ma'am.
0 good. 1 cube minus 1 square. 1 cube is 1. 1 square is 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 comma 0.
1, 0. 1, 0.
X equal to 2. P of 2 equal to 2 cube minus 2 square. What is the value? 2 cube is
2, 4.
4.
8 minus
2,
4.
4.
2 comma 4. If x equal to 1, x equal to minus 1. Minus 1 whole cube minus minus
1, 0.
0, 0, ma'am.
minus 1 cube
0,
is
ma'am.
0. Minus 1 square is plus 1. Minus 1 minus 1. It is minus 2. Understood? Minus 1 comma minus 2.
Minus 1, minus 2.
If x equal to minus 2. P of minus 2. What is the value? What is the value P of minus 2?
Minus 8.
Minus 8. Minus 2 cube is? Minus 8.
minus 12.
Minus 2.
4.
4.
4.
Minus 4 minus 8. What is the answer? Minus 12.
Minus 12.
Point is minus 2 comma minus 12.
minus 2, comma minus 12.
Understood?
Ma'am, minus 2, comma minus 12.
X is equal to minus only 0 only, ma'am.
Where? Which point?
Ma'am, X is equal to minus 1, ma'am.
X equal to minus 1. P of minus 1 equal to minus 1 cube. Minus 1 square. Minus 1 cube is minus 1. Write minus as it is. Minus 1 square is plus 1. Understood?
Okay.
Minus 2
1
only, ma'am. Correct only.
minus 2.
Correct only.
Minus 2.
Okay, understood? Okay, plot the graph.
Yes, understood, ma'am.
Draw x-axis and y-axis. X dash.
Say the points one by one.
Y dash.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, sir.
First point.
0, comma 0.
First point is
Ma'am,
0.
0, comma 0, ma'am.
Second point.
Ma'am, next to 1, comma
1,
0.
comma
1 comma 0. Okay. Next point.
Ma'am, next point.
Next point.
See
Ma'am,
there.
2, comma 4.
Correct.
Ma'am, 2, comma 4.
2 comma 4.
2, comma 4.
On x-axis 2, y-axis 4. 2 comma 4. Next point. Next point.
Minus 1, comma minus 2.
Minus 1 comma minus 2.
Minus 2.
Minus 1 comma minus 2.
Next plus plus minus 1, minus 2.
One more point. Minus 2 comma minus 12. Here there is no
Minus 12.
point. Okay, 4 points are enough. Connect these points. See. Don't use scale. How to connect 0 and 1? These 2 points.
Ma'am, here 2
Ma'am?
zeros.
Don't connect straight line. Okay? If you connect straight line, here we get infinite number of zeros. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
No.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, in between we take 1 point. 0 to 1.
Many zeros are.
0 to 1. We take 1 point for x value. In between 0 to 1. Midpoint is 0.5 or 1 by 2. Is it correct?
0.5.
0.5.
0.5.
0.5 or 1 by 2. If x equal to 0.5 or x equal to 1 by 2. What is the value? P of 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2 whole cube minus 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by 2 whole cube. What is the value? 1 cube is 1. 2 cube is?
1 by 8.
Ma'am, 8, ma'am.
1 cube is 1 square is 1. 2 square is
4, ma'am.
4.
Now do the LCM and tell me the value fastly. All of you respond, yeah.
Okay.
Why you were
8 is the LCM, ma'am.
8
8 is the
is
8 is the LCM.
8, ma'am. Same.
1. 8. How many times to get 8?
1.
Ma'am,
1,
1.
ma'am.
1, ma'am. Ma'am,
Minus
4.
2, ma'am. 2, ma'am.
2 times. 1 into 1, 1. Minus 1 into 2, 2.
2.
It is
-2.
by 8.
minus
Minus 1 by 8.
minus 1 by
-1
8.
by
Minus
8.
1 by 8.
This is
Minus 1 by 8.
okay. This is the p of x value is nothing but y value. Here point is 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 8. 1 by 2 means 0.5. Correct? Here point is 1 by 2. On x-axis 1 by 2. Means middle one. And 1 by 8. 1 by 8 means somewhere here, y-axis. So point is this one, downwards. Understood?
Yes,
Above
ma'am.
or below? Below the x-axis, point is minus 1 by 8, somewhere here. In between 0 to 1. 1 by 8. So point is here.
See why we are not joined directly this 0 and 1, because in between 0.1, 0.2 like that infinite number of points will come. Correct or not? Yes or no, Ra?
Yes, sir.
That is
Yes,
why
sir.
it will not join. By that time it will become infinite number of solutions. So if it is a quadrat, this which function?
X cube minus x square.
This function is having maximum number of how many zeros possible? Only 2. Yes or no?
Only 2 zeros, sir. 2 zeros.
0 and 1. It is
2
using
zeros.
infinite number of solutions. So that it is wrong. Infinite number of zeros. That is why in that situation what we are doing, we are taking some midpoint. That is, let us consider the midpoint is 1 by 2. So if we take x value is 1 by 2, we used to get the y value is minus 1 by 8. Is it yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes,
No.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is the minus 1 by 8 value? Minus 0.125. Correct or not? Somewhere here minus 125 will come. So 0.5 will join that. The midpoint will come somewhere here. So that you can join the points like this. Do you understand it? Yes or no? All of
Yes,
you?
sir.
Yeah, that is what.
Yes, sir.
So you are not supposed to join 2 points which are lying the same axis at a time, because infinite number of solutions will be present in between them. That is what you should remember. So perfectly you join.
If you know how to draw the graph, you definitely get 3 to 4 marks in your exam. This function is x cube minus x square. How many zeros?
2
2
zeros.
0.
2 zeros, ma'am.
2 zeros.
2 zeros, ma'am. 2 zeros.
8, 0 and 1. 0 comma 1. Here 0 and 1 are the zeros of the polynomial p of x equal to x cube minus x square.
Arya, tell me, Arya, what is your doubt?
Sir, sorry, sir.
Okay. Draw. So this function is having how many zeros the polynomial is?
2 zeros, sir.
2 zeros, sir.
So that
2
is
zeros.
number. See why we are taking this equation means we should not join when the same 2 points are lying in the same axis. We should not join straight line. So by that time, our mind should suggest that we have to find some midpoint. Do you understand, Ra?
Yes, sir.
So what is the reason?
Yes, sir.
Because we have an infinite number of solutions. If I join here directly, that is having infinite number of solutions. So by the time our definition itself wrong. Is it yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
That is what the thing we have to do it. We have to take some midpoint in that, like these situations will come. We have to take some midpoint and we have to find the value and we have to join that point. So here, if you observe, this is looks like this is the what the graph is looks like. So here at the this p of x function. So how many times it is crossing the x-axis? 2 points at 0 and the 1. So that it is having 2
2
zeros.
times.
One is 0 and another one is 1. That's all. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
This is all about. So here, how many zeros are? 2 zeros. Is it yes or no?
2 zeros.
Yeah,
Yes,
2
sir.
zeros. But maximum how many it will be? Either 1, no nil
3
zero.
3 zeros,
No
sir.
zeros will be present. In this equation, there is no zeros or nil zeros. Definitely, it must have 1 0 or else 2 zeros, or else it must have
At most
3 zeros.
maximum how many?
3 zeros.
Maximum 3 should come, or else
Zeros.
1 should come, or else may 2 come, but there is no 0. Do you understand? If 0 of the polynomials is not there, nil zeros. Understand? So now we have drawn the graph for getting 1 0 of the polynomial and 2 zeros of the polynomial. Now you can take any other function which will give 3 zeros of the polynomial.
3 zeros.
I have to do it.
This is a homework question for 3 zeros. P of x equal to x cube minus 4x. All of you try to draw this graph for this.
All of you draw that and you have to send
P
in
of x
WhatsApp.
equal to x cube minus 4x. Any doubt means ask.
You have to try it and send in WhatsApp. Our
It has
mathematics
3
group
zeros.
itself is sent.
Sir, homework, sir.
It is homework. You have to draw it and send in our WhatsApp group, not individually. You have to send in WhatsApp group. It will attains maximum how many zeros for this equation? Now itself we are saying how many?
3, sir. 3.
So that's graph paper only.
2 zeros, sir.
That is all about it. So it will get maximum 3 zeros. It will come. So that's all. So
3 zeros, sir.
polynomial which is having maybe 0 or maybe 1 or maybe 2 or maximum 3. That's all. Do you understand? So that is what you have to remember. Next one is
All of you open exercise 2.1.
now all of you take your NCERT book, open your exercise 2.1. Can you able to see here? Those who don't have a textbook, you can able to see here.
2.1.
2.1.
So 2.1.
Yeah, 2.2. 2.1. You go to 2.1.
Very easy exercise.
Yeah, 1 minute. You just wait a minute. I will erase it all, and you can go it.
Read the question first. All of you should read the question.
Mark with your pen or pencil, no issues. You can use anything. This is your textbook, one textbook only, correct? You can use, no problem. Yeah.
Read the question. The graphs of y equal to p of x are given in the figure. For some polynomials p of x, find the number of zeros of p of x in each case. Here we have to find the number of zeros. How to find number of zeros? The number of times graph touches the x-axis.
The number of times it touches the x-axis.
Okay? See, function in terms of x or y. Polynomial function in terms of x or y.
Yeah.
Y equal to of x. Polynomial function in the form of x. Understood? So we see which axis?
Yes, ma'am.
X-axis.
X-axis.
Okay. First question.
X-axis. No zeros.
No
No
zeros.
zeros.
No zeros.
No zeros.
The graph never touches the x-axis. Does not cut the x-axis. So number of zeros, sir?
So it is not a zero.
Number of
zeros, ma'am.
No, zero.
Zeros.
zeros. Okay. Comes to
Zero
second.
zeros.
One.
Ma'am,
Ma'am.
1 zero.
One.
Ma'am.
1
1
zero.
zero, ma'am.
Not
Zero.
y.
1
Zero.
zero, ma'am.
Only 1 0.
1 zero.
Next question.
1, ma'am.
1
Ma'am, 2 zeros, ma'am. 3 zeros, ma'am.
2
3 zeros, ma'am.
3. 3.
3 zeros. Understood? Any doubt? Ask me.
Okay, ma'am.
4th one, 2, ma'am.
Fourth one.
4th one, 2 zeros.
2 zeros, ma'am.
zeros, ma'am. 2 zeros.
2 zeros, ma'am.
1 2.
Yes, ma'am. 2 zeros.
2 times touches the x-axis. So number of zeros are 2.
2.
Next, 4 zeros, ma'am.
4 zeros.
4 zeros, ma'am. 4 zeros. 4 zeros.
4.
4 zeros.
Oh, very good. Next one.
4 zeros.
Ma'am,
Next
3
one,
zeros.
3 zeros.
3 zeros, ma'am.
3 zeros.
3.
3 zeros. 3 zeros. 3 zeros.
3 zeros. Okay? This type of question never asked in your exam.
This is just for our practice day. Like these questions will won't come in exam. You
They
remember
only
that?
ask
అట్లా వెళ్ళిపోతే రాదు. Stop saying that.
x equal to p of y. The graph is like this.
Tarani Pushpa, you want homework sum? This is what the homework sum. You check it. This is what the homework sum which you have to draw and you have to send the that is. You can continue now.
How many zeros? How many zeros?
1 0, ma'am.
Ma'am,
1,
1, 2, 3, 5.
1 0, ma'am.
1 0 is wrong.
5 ma'am.
Ma'am, 5, ma'am, 5, 5.
5,
5,
ma'am.
5, 5,
Question.
5. 5, ma'am.
E of 5 ma'am.
5, ma'am.
Polynomial
1,
function
2,
in the
3,
form
4,
of
5.
y. So see y
Why,
axis.
ma'am? Because it is 5.
The graph touches
Five,
the y axis at how many points? 1, 2,
5, 5,
3,
5.
4, 5. 5 is the correct answer. Suppose graph is
Ma'am, 5 zeros, ma'am.
5 zeros. The graph touches the y axis. The polynomial function in the form of y. So see y axis. Total 5 zeros. Understood? Here polynomial function p of y equal to how many zeros? This graph.
Ma'am, 3 zeros, ma'am.
3 zeros.
3, yeah. 1,
3 wrong.
3 wrong, ma'am.
Polynomial function p of y.
1, ma'am.
0, ma'am.
1.
See the graph.
1
The
ma'am.
graph touches the
1, ma'am.
1, ma'am. 1, 1, 1, 1.
not x-axis.
1, ma'am. 1, 1, 1.
At which point? At
At
zero.
the midpoint. At 0, at 0.
Origin. 0. Okay? How many
Origin.
zeros?
At origin.
1 0. Understood?
At origin.
1 0.
It has only 1 point. That 1, 0.
Note it down. Next, relationship between zeros and quotients. Relationship between zeros and coefficients. Coefficients of quadratic polynomial. What is quadratic polynomial?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, with degree 2.
It has
Highest
degree. Not,
3,
It's a 2.
not 3, only 2.
2, 2. 2,
Yes,
2.
probably is 2. What is the general form of quadratic polynomial?
Ax square plus bx plus c. Ax square plus bx plus c.
Ax square plus
Plus
bx
bx plus c.
c. This is a quadratic polynomial. See, highest power is 2. Okay?
Highest power is 2, ma'am.
This is a quadratic polynomial. Understood?
Degree is equal to 2, ma'am.
Here we have to find
Yes,
the
ma'am.
relationship between zeros and quotient of the quadratic polynomial.
Quadratic polynomial. Quadratic
An example
polynomial.
of quadratic polynomial.
Ma'am, what?
One example for quadratic polynomial.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
2x
2x square. 2x square
2x square
plus 3x
4.
plus 3x
2x square minus 8x plus 6. This
plus
is
6.
one of the quadratic polynomial. Is it correct or wrong?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Correct, ma'am.
Okay.
Correct, ma'am.
See,
Correct, ma'am.
here 2 is common. Take 2 is common. Remaining 2 into x square, 2x square, correct? X square minus next term. What about next term?
4x
4x
Next term.
plus 3.
plus 3.
3 plus
Okay.
3 plus 3.
Split the middle term. Middle term is 4x. Split the middle term. Here we have to find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. How to write 4x? 4x.
Minus 3 minus 1.
Product of A and C. Here A is 1. C is 3. Don't consider the negative signs. Only consider the positive signs. 1 into 3. AC. 1 3 is a 3. 3 factors. Tell me 3 factors. 3 factors.
3 into 1.
3 into
2
1.
3 into 1.
1 3 is a 3. Okay. Do addition or subtraction to get middle term. Middle term is 4. Do addition
Minus
to
6.
3.
Minus 1 minus 3. Minus 1 minus 3.
-1
Okay.
-3.
X square
Minus 1 minus
minus 6
Minus
minus 3
minus 3x
plus
plus
3.
3.
Understood? Any doubt, ask me. Here, these two terms.
Again one time.
What is common?
X
Common. This is x minus 1.
minus 1.
These two terms, what is
3
common?
is the
Minus
3
3.
is the common.
This is x
X
X
plus 1.
minus 1.
X minus 1.
Always these two terms, these two brackets must be same. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
2 into x minus 1, x minus 1. X minus 1 is the common. Here, x
X minus 3.
x minus 3. This is 2 into x minus 1 into x minus 3. Here 2. 2 is called constant. Let k equal to 2. Here 1 and 3. 1 and 3 are the zeros of the polynomial. Understood? Let alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial. Alpha equal to 1. Beta equal to 3. So this equation becomes k into x minus alpha into x minus beta. Is it correct? Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Any doubt? Till here, any doubt, ask me.
No, ma'am.
Here we get normal quadratic function ax square plus bx plus c equal to is in the form of k into x minus alpha into x minus beta. Is it okay? Multiply these two terms. K into x. What is the value? X into x.
2x.
Square.
2x
X
or x
square.
X square, ma'am.
Square.
X plus X is 2X. X
2x.
into
X
X is
into
X
x is
square.
2 square.
x square.
X square. X into X is X square. X plus X is 2X. Okay, here X into X. X square.
2 square. See, x square.
2 minus beta. Minus beta X. Minus alpha into X.
Minus alpha x
Minus alpha x.
Alpha into minus beta.
plus alpha beta.
Minus into minus plus alpha into beta.
Okay, that's only correct. Yeah. Wait.
A into X square. Here, what is common? These two terms.
X
X
X.
minus X. Minus X is the common.
minus x
Beta plus alpha or alpha plus beta, both are same. Alpha plus beta plus alpha into beta. Okay, here these two equations are equal. Two equations. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to k into x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha into beta. Two equations. Compare these two equations. Equating the quotients ratios. It means x square quotient. X square quotients ratio is equal to x quotients ratio and x naught quotients ratios. Understood? What is the x square quotients ratios? X square quotient. This equation, x square quotient. X square quotient. What is x square quotient?
a
A. A by, here x square quotient.
k
K. A by K equal to x quotient in this equation.
B.
b
B by, in this equation. What is x quotient?
Alpha plus beta.
Minus alpha plus beta into K. K also there, correct? It is K x square
Ma'am.
minus x into K alpha plus beta plus K alpha beta. Is it correct? So what is x quotient? Minus K alpha beta, alpha plus beta. K into alpha plus beta. X naught quotient.
C.
C. By here x naught quotient.
K alpha theta.
K alpha beta. Understood? Understood? Any doubt? Ask me. Any doubt? This is a ratio 1. This is ratio 2. This is ratio 3. First equating 1 and 2 ratios.